Hi guys! I'm Ree and welcome back to my channel. After 1 year, meron ako ulit content because it's time to renew my vehicle. So, my plate is ending 7, but thanks to the pandemic, I had no chance to renew it. Merong COVID restrictions nowadays, so the LTO decided to extend the validity until August 31, and that is today. So last Friday, I went to this place called QCIS, and I realized that it's very convenient to have only one stop for emission, for insurance, and also LTO. So I decided to go there. So basically, you just need to have 2 requirements to have your vehicle renewed, and that is the emission result, as you can see here, and also the insurance, the TPL, the third party liability insurance. And thank you so much for QCIS for being so convenient. This is not a sponsored video. I'm just giving my honest feedback regarding the place. I lined up my vehicle and they got the key so I can wait at the air-conditioned waiting room. So while inside the waiting room, I was asked to pay for 672 pesos for the emission testing. It's not just emission, but it's an overall motor vehicle inspection. And then when I got the result na nakalagay pass lahat, I proceeded to pay for the TPL insurance. So this TPL insurance took only like 5 minutes of encoding my information. It cost me 950 pesos for this. It's a bit pricey than my 2021 experience, but for the convenience, I proceed to get this para makaproceed na ako sa next step. And then for the final step, yes, final step na, I just waited inside the waiting room on queue because there were like 4 people in front of me sa line. So it took around like less than 1 hour. They have a cut-off at 4 p.m. By 4 p.m., they announced that there was a slowdown in the system. That's why there was an irregular delay in processing. So, hindi siya talaga normally ganun katagal na 1 hour nag-aantay. They advised na cut-off na nga. There wasn't anything to worry about because they will proceed to processing our files. We just needed to leave a copy of our ORCR from the previous year. They got the emission testing and the TPL insurance, the paper, and they attached it to our application. And they asked us to leave our LTO credentials for them to upload the documents and process everything. So they advised us to wait for their text message in order for us to pay. So, ayan na nga. So, that was Friday. By Tuesday, I was asking QCIS already na why have I not received a text message? Tomorrow will be the deadline of my renewal. Medyo late ko na yung nasabi. Kinahaponan, sabi lahat, please wait for our text. Tomorrow, you will receive a text from us. And totoo nga, early this morning, I got a text na ready na for payment yung renewal application ko. And I will guide you through this kasi I know naman hindi lahat sanay na gumamit ng portal. So, let's go to portal.lto.gov.ph and we will click on the login button. And we will enter our email address and password. So, as you can see here, merong vehicle reminder. 1 motor vehicle be renewed should be until August 31. So, unfortunately, there was a problem with the recording that I made. But let me just share to you the screenshots. So, while there, please click on the transactions and you will be able to find an open transaction. So, click on that. And from this screen, you can see the breakdown of the fees to be paid. Just click on Proceed GCash and you will be directed to the GCash page. Just click on the I have read and agreed to the terms and conditions and you will be directed to another page where you
to fill up the GCash number that you will use, your MPIN, and the OTP that you will receive via your registered number. And then that's it. After you have done that, you will be able to get to this page, and when you click on the official receipt, you will see your OR. So congratulations, you are now renewed for the year for a total of 1,710 pesos, and then on top of that, there are other fees. So that's it for renewing my LTO registration. I'm so happy that it's all done right now. I didn't really want to spend a whole day to renew this. Going to this one-stop shop was very convenient for me. Last year, I remember going around Quezon City to get my emission done, my TPL done, and sending these documents to Tugigaraw just to have them renewed. Kasi nga, sobrang haba ng pila dito sa kamay nila. And I'm just thankful na meron ng other alternatives now to have our LTO registration renewed hassle-free. So, thank you so much for watching this video until the end, and I hope that you learned something from this video, and just let me know in the comments if you have any questions, and I'll see you in the next video.